All right. Good afternoon, traders. This is Revan Woodigo by Sage FT, creator, founder, trader, live trading desk, sageft.com. I had a horrific day, kind of a brain fart type day, if you will. It's really weird. And what I mean by that is somehow my leveraging got screwed up. Okay. So in my accounts, somehow some of them were much heavier than others. And if you look at this one here, it's doing just fine. So I have homework to do, right? So what I need to do is I need to figure out what happened. Right now, we're not really going to get into it in this video, but I just want to kind of talk about how, sometimes you have to just go back to the basics and and simplify things. Now, what happened with me was not only was I not paying attention to the leverage on the copier, the trade copier, I wasn't really paying attention to the kiss, kind of going against it, right? And now those accounts shouldn't have blown if they were leveraged correctly. If the copier, if I would have set the copier correctly, I'm taking full responsibility for this. This is one of my teachable moments for myself, where I kind of have to figure out, well, hey, what happened there? How did some of those accounts get smoked, and then one of them makes $2,000 in profit? Well, that's what I'm going to dissect throughout the rest of the evening to kind of come up with a conclusion, because I'm going to end very, very green in one of the accounts, and then the two evals are totally blown, right? So I just wait for those to reset next month. That's me in the penalty box, right? Okay, and then my live account. This is hilarious. You guys are going to love this, right? I put $100 in it. It stops me out 10 points and then takes $50 for the margin call. Thanks. Thanks, Ninja Trader. I appreciate a $50 margin call on a $5 trade, right? So but what I want to point out though is I was making it too complicated. I was going against what I was supposed to be doing. And the main thing that I kind of did wrong was I moved my stop when I shouldn't have, several times, up and down, right? So and I got I had a lack of data. I got impatient, and I had the need to be right, right? So that crippled me today. One of my PAs is doing just fine. One of my PAs is on life support. I have to get all of those back in order. There's no reason I should lose them. What you do when you take a big loss is you scale down, all the way down. Oh yeah, but how do I make the money back? Well, you don't make it back if you lose it, right? So I have to pay close attention to buying power in my $50,000 PA over the next few weeks. It's going to be one micro at a time, $15-20 in risk, 3 to 4 points in risk, and I'm going to work my way. I'm going to dig my way out of it. If not, you guys will see it. I'll tell you if I blow it, right? And then the other account is up $1,800. So it's rather a flustering day for me. That's why I'm kind of just stuttering, sitting here. And so I'm gonna get to my homework. I am still short from way up here. Actually, I averaged into the trades. So I'm kind of waiting for this trade to kind of play out here. 97.25. That will not be a loss. That will be a huge win in this trade. I'm looking for 70 if I can get it. Took all the sell signals, and I'm just waiting to see what they do with R1. Do they sell it again, or do they pull it through? I'll see everybody tomorrow morning. Let me check the news here for you, and we'll get out of here. Friday, just a bunch of Fed speak. Make sure. Let me hit replay. Yep. Just a ton of Fed speak tomorrow. That's going to do it for me. I'll see everyone tomorrow morning. Good night.